All right, it's day 16, so let's see what's in this little bag from Jenny's Countdown to Christmas. All right, so let's open this up. I guessed that it was probably magnets, but we'll see. Whew. Oh, they're really cute. Look at that. Those are adorable. So, changing the world one stitch at a time on one, and the other one has like a quilt block design. Well, they both have quilt designs, but that's what the one down here says because you probably can't see it. Cute. I can always use magnets, always. Okay, before I get into the recap and pricing and all that stuff and guessing what is in the box for day 17, I wanted to point something out that I noticed. And a few of you guys had noticed it before me, mentioned stuff in the comments, so I checked it out. I have a tickle on my nose, I'm sorry. So, somebody did say, and I'm going to comment and let you know as well. I don't know if I have yet, but I'm getting behind, but I did see the comment. So this bowl, it's heavy, it feels magnetic, and some of you have said that you don't think yours is. Now, I want to say, for some reason, these pins do not work in this bowl as magnetic. I don't know what the material is in these pins, but let me show you. So, you know, it sits in there and then just falls out. Thank goodness I caught it because I hate searching for pins in carpet. Okay, let me put that back in and close it. So, if you just tried these pins in your bowl, they're not going to work, but here are some of my other pins, and in the bowl, they work. So, you know, I hate to speak ill of anything because I think people do try their best, and maybe you can't, maybe they were rushing some of these and the quality is not quite up to snuff. But these pins really aren't that great. Let me show you. It might be really hard to see on video, but look how much bigger they are than, I don't know if you can tell how much thicker they are than the other blue pin over here. They're a lot thicker, and I think they're really gonna leave big holes in your fabric if you try to use these. You just really can't see it that well. But these are, my other pins are so much sharper. Like that hurts barely touching, and this, like, I don't even know if I could pierce myself with it if I wanted to. They're super cute pins, but they're just not gonna be of use for what I do, because I'm not gonna want to put that huge pin through my fabric. Because it's gonna leave big holes, and sorry, these pins are dropping everywhere. I want to close this up before they end up on my floor. This is the first thing that I think has been of really poor quality. They are super, super cute. I think the thought is there. I will probably still use the container and do something cute with it and use it on the tree because it's a really cute container. Maybe just leave these pins in it and use it for decorative. But they're just not, they're not very good, and they don't even stick in the bowl that they sent. Now this is a nice heavy duty bowl. This is really good, and I'm guaranteeing you that if you thought it wasn't magnetic, it's probably just because you put their pins in it. If you use some of your other ones, I think they'll probably stick. Okay, so those let's go back. So the magnets, really cute. Those are adorable. So this dish I looked up, and it's not on their site, but there were two other magnetic dishes. The one that I have currently, and I think it was $10.95, something around there. I included it in the description yesterday, and I will today. So, and then there was another dish that was, I think, around $15. So I kind of split the difference, and I think I put this one as a value for $12. And after everything I just said about the pins, I forgot what the total is now. So give me a minute. So that would bring the total up to $141.75. I'm not sure how much the magnets are, so I'll be sure to update tomorrow on where we stand with the estimated price of the box. Okay. Whew, that was a lot of info I wanted to get in because I really wanted to point out those pins because they're so cute and I thought they would be really good, but so I'm kind of bummed about it. Okay, so tomorrow, day 17. So the package that we got shipped separately because they didn't include it in the bag and they had wanted to. And so this is covered in cardboard. I'm gonna guess some sort of pen, pencil, something, I don't know. And in here, what is that? It's like some sort of like hard cardboard, but then there's like a weird fluffy thing there. I don't know. I have no idea what this one could be. If you've taken a look at your box, let me know what you think. I have no idea whatsoever on this one. No idea. So that'll be fun to find out what it is. So yeah, come back tomorrow. Let's open bag 17, both of them. I'm really excited. I've been so excited to see what it is since they shipped that extra thing and said that they forgot to put it in the bag for 17. So I've been itching to get into that one. All right, so come back tomorrow. Let's see what we have. We're getting down to the last few. It's such a bummer, but this has been a lot of fun. So come back tomorrow. We'll hang out in this video again, unbox these together, and yeah, see you then. Bye.